Hey, g'day everybody, it's Matt here from Matt Carves. We are carving part 4 today, and as you can see, what's passing there is part 1, 2 and 3, and this is part 4 of the fairy house, fairy village. I did a lot of carving at night because I was trying to repair a big sort of like stuff up that I did, and you know, when you're trying to carve intuitively, it doesn't quite go to plan. So I wanted to put some steps in with that Tungsten Carbide cutter square bit, which is really good for the steps, and I wanted it to go down from the mushroom house. I thought I'd clear out a little bit to start off with the little terrier. You've seen me use this before. It is vicious, yes. Watch that little stick ping off there, and then it pings back, and then it pings off again. So yeah, so this is where it all went wrong. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do here. So I took off the door from the mushroom house to go back further into it, and then I realigned those stairs. Wasn't really looking good for a very long time, this one. So I thought I'd like carve this back and sort of, yeah, I thought, yeah, now I'm going to put in these sort of like doors and windows here. And I'm going to lower that staircase and then do a staircase going down there. I think I'm going to put lots of staircases in. That's what I'm going to do. Probably not this many staircases, but I did decide to put another staircase that goes around the corner there down to that door. And I'm putting it in with a round tip one there. I'm not quite sure why. Anyway, a little brush is quite handy. Always getting covered in dust, these little staircases. It's hard to see what you're doing. Anyway, there goes the staircase. Then it's going to go down there. And that one staircase is going to go down there to a little door or house down there. So here we go. I'm putting in another staircase using that cutter burr again. Okay, I think I've shown you this trick before, but use that side of the burr. So pretend that screwdriver thing is the staircase, and I'm putting that burr over the staircase and sort of pulling it back. So you can see I'm going in, trying to lower the other side of the staircase so the staircase sticks out. Just be careful it doesn't lock up when you're pressing into tight spaces. You can see this is hard wood, it's starting to smoke. And you could always get rid of those burn marks later on. I don't tend to worry about them. I'll go in lightly or I will lower the speed. Usually I just go in lightly. And it takes out those burn marks. So you can sort of see that staircase is sticking out further. And I decided maybe I'm going to join the hole up underneath that staircase. That'll make it even stick out even further. So I've got to go back a long way into there. Okay, and I like to use this little burr, as you know. It's probably my second favourite cut saw burr. So I do have a affiliate link in the description for cut saw burrs. It helps the channel out. I buy a few little burrs with it. I don't earn a lot of money making these videos, but I really enjoy it, and I really like helping people out. I try and answer all the comments, and I really appreciate the comments that people leave, actually. Okay, so back to that kind of cutter burr, well, that sort of like disc cutter burr. I really rate this, actually. I'm quite enjoying it. Got to watch out though, it can grab, just as you're going to see right here. Right there, sort of grab, so you know, you never have your hand in the way when you're sort of like going deep into wood. Well, never have your hand in the way, probably ever. And then you're not going to hurt yourself. Famous last words, of course, there. I'm pretty tired of doing stairs now, I've got to admit that, yes, very tired of doing stairs. So the next part is not going to have any stairs at all, I hope. I have decided what the next part is going to be. So here I'm just putting in all the doors and windows, and we are coming up to the finish. I know on YouTube you're not supposed to tell people that you're coming up to the finish because then they just log off and don't see the finish. But here we go, here is the finished product. Fairy house, I'm not really sure what it is. Fairy village, it's not a product, it's a piece of art. Part 5 is going to be that lower part there, and I'm going to be carving something. I've already decided what I'm going to carve, and my wife told me what I was going to carve. So stay tuned for that. Happy carving, people. Bye bye.